Hey guys, it's Tomatora. So there's a lot of ways to make mask chains, but today I'm going to show you guys how I make them, because why not? First material needed is a clear illusion cord. They're like fishing lines, and as you can see, they don't stretch at all. Next are the crimping beads. I only use this brand specifically because it's what I have lying around the house. My mom randomly gave them to me years ago, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to finally use them for something. Instead of silver though, I'll be using the gold versions. These come in 3 different sizes, and in order to utilize all my resources, I'm going to use all 3 types, even though you can definitely just use the medium bead for everything. First, I cut the cord to the appropriate length, usually like 12 inches. Then I stick a medium crimping bead through one side of the cord, fold it in half, and then I stick the big crimping bead through both ends so that it traps the medium bead inside. And then I crimp the bigger one. Now, to be honest, I have an issue with these bigger crimping beads. The 2 other ones are fine, but this big one actually cracks or like splits when I crimp it. So I have to be careful to make sure that the crack is towards the middle and not towards the end, where it can create a sharp corner that could like potentially cut someone. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, or maybe it's just a crappy product. Next, I take my kawaii beads of choice and string it along. I am obsessed with these heart beads. I bought them on Etsy from a shop called Delishbeads, just in case y'all want to know. Once I finish that, I seal it off using a small and medium crimp bead. Now, it's important to have a small amount of space in between the regular beads and the crimp beads. If there's no space and it's really tight, it forces the whole shape to warp like this. But when I let go and give it enough space, see how it straightens up and flows naturally? And obviously, I don't want too much space in between, so here's how I take care of that problem. I use a tweezer like this to help me gauge the appropriate amount of space necessary, and make sure that the tweezers are gripping the string hard so it doesn't slip out. Then I pull back the medium crimping bead and pull the ends of the cord into the small crimping bead. Yes, you can just crimp it from here, but I'm paranoid, so I bring it over and pull it through the same small bead one more time, and then I crimp. After that, I take the same string and pull it through the first 2 regular beads and cut off the excess. Repeat all of that one more time. Next, I take some jump rings and attach it to all the ends. Then, on top of the ends, I attach my clasps. I prefer to use these kind of clasps, but you can definitely use lobster clasps. Or you can use these things and turn the mask chain into a glasses chain. Anyways, I take a chain approximately 24 inches in length and attach it to the bottom ends of the beads. Voila! You're done! When you wear it, it should look like this. My face is on the smaller size, so these beads do look somewhat huge, which is why I made another chain with smaller beads just for me. But I'm sure they'll look normal on an average size person. Anyways, that is that. Thank you guys for watching. Please wear a mask outside, stay safe, and see you guys next time!